Today is one of those days where I feel happy to get on my motorcycle, and I would be lying to you if I told you that every day is a riding day. It's not like that, guys. It's not like I get on my bike every day and I just feel like the happiest man in the world. Some days I'm not in the mood to ride, and I think that's important also for all new riders out there, right? Anyway, what was I saying? It's important to understand that you're not going to be in the mood to ride every day. You're not going to be in the right place mentally, right? To ride every day. And that's okay. Go at your own pace, boys and girls. Another thing that I've sort of thought about recently is that there seem to be a lot more girls getting into riding than before, which I think is a good thing, personally. I think motorcycle riding should be something that's inclusive for everyone, no matter if you're a woman or a man with manly hair on your chest. Oh, what a great day! I feel good today. We have 10 minutes, I think, to get to my friend. I didn't get any updates on my new bike yet. I didn't get any updates on my new 600RR that I'm waiting for. The only thing I know is that I'm gonna get it sometime next spring or summer. But I'm hoping it's gonna be spring. New 2025 600RR from my favorite brand, Honda, with a sport kit, an oil filler cap, a single seat cowl, and a fucking tank pad, boys. Important stuff. Woo! Yeah, boys! Third gear, boys. Everyone loves a good third gear. The dealership promised me that they would send me some updates along the way regarding my new bike. But they haven't sent me any updates yet, so I'm kind of wondering what's happening. I think it's time for the first update soon, boys. I want to know when my bike is coming. I'm imagining it right now, sitting in the factory in Thailand or wherever those bikes are being made. All the parts are being glued together, and those parts are going to your boy Maximus. Your boy on his 600RR in the new year of 2025, the year of the goat, or whatever the f*** it is. Maybe it's gonna be the year of the fox, because your boy is a fox. My spirit animal. Okay, I wonder if this is gonna be our exit, boys. I still have some more footage from Japan, from when I was riding in the 600RR over there. I'm wondering, you guys, if you're interested in seeing some more of that shit. Maybe you are. I think I'll make a couple of videos. I need some material to edit during the winter, when I can't even ride. I need something to do then too, right? Okay, where's my boy? Where is my boy? Look at those cool, small sports cars, right? They are so cute. Those two Porsche. All right. Maybe a little drink or something while we are waiting for our boy. Boys, this bike is going away. It does make me sad. I love this bike. But as we all know, sometimes you have to let things go. All right. I'm just gonna tell you all here, guys, that my brother on the ZX6R has a new fucking exhaust on his bike. That sounds amazing. And it's an SC project. Can you hear that? That's crazy, boys. I don't know what that position's called. Woo-hoo! Superman! Superman position! Har du ridit någon gång?
Nej. Bara
aldrig. Ja.
Jag har ridit kamel dem.
Okej.
De är läskiga för när de ska så här börja, när de ställer sig upp. Då först man ställer sig upp så. Och sen med framfötterna som man, eller för händerna, man tror att man ska ramla framåt liksom.
Ja. Det blir som en stoppy.
Ja, typ faktiskt.
En kamelstoppy. Okay. This is just like fucking... It's not a lot of material. I'm very close to the road. Where the fuck are you, man? I can't see you.
Look at this woman.
I'm getting chased by a fucking shark. Ugh! I'm fucking scared, bros. I'm scared. He's coming. This curve is fucking sharp. All right. Holy shit.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh. Ah. Fuck. 13 seconds. Oh, fuck me too. No. Yeah. Breaking and shaking. What is my time? Oh wait, that's the flag, right?
That's it.
That's it, man.
That's it.
Oof. That was fucking intense, bro. How would I turn this shit off? Dude, the bike feels so much better than that go-kart though. It's so smooth. The engine. This is what I like.
I have gräsklipparmotor.
Ja. Gräsklippare alltså. Lawn mower engine. Oh no, where's my bro? Okay.
SC Project soundtrack.
Fucking beautiful.
You are.
You are my man.
Before we go on, for your viewers, do not try this at home. I'm a professional idiot. And you are a professional know your limits guy, which is good. Basically what I'm trying to say is you know your limits.